Have you ever opened YouTube, ready to watch your favorite video, and suddenly you see this frustrating message? Something went wrong. Tap to retry. You tap it, nothing happened. You tap it again, still nothing. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, open a browser to your choice. Type internet speed test. Wait for a moment to test your internet speed. If you see your internet is weak, then swipe down from top. Turn airplane mode on for 10 to 20 seconds. Then turn it off. Now go to settings. Scroll down and tap apps. Search for YouTube. Tap Force Stop. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. And tap Clear Data. Now go to Play Store. Search for YouTube. If you have update, then update it. And then restart your phone. And that's it. One of these methods will definitely fix the something went wrong. Tap to retry error. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.